Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We want to continue our series on Runbook Automation, leveraging iAutomate from Dry Ice, and talk a little bit about one of the common questions that we get, a frequently asked question, if you will, that is, what is the difference between RPA, which is robotic process automation, and Runbook automation? Well, while they're similar in that they're both technologies that are used to automatically and through machine technology do a series of tasks that have been set up within those platforms, they're actually quite different. Robotic process automation is great, but it's generally more of a user tool. It's more of a front-end tool that is used by the user to automate certain actions that they may take, and they're usually more simplistic actions. While Runbook automation is something that generally sits behind the scenes and is set up to actually integrate with multiple different platforms to look for areas and opportunities where it is going to execute any of the runbooks that exist within the platform, or potentially through analysis recommend runbooks that might be run for certain situations based on an AI machine learning type of technology. Generally speaking, as I said before, robotic process automation are simpler sets of tasks, where runbook automation may be much more complex sets of tasks. So a robotic process automation may help you to very quickly, for example, go through a process to process an incident, again on a front end, where Runbook automation is going to sit behind the scenes and, based on its rules that have been set, go through, analyze the actual item, get it classified correctly, get it prioritized correctly, get it escalated to the appropriate teams correctly, and potentially, and in many cases, which is the goal when we're doing Runbook automation, is to actually take a series of steps that may actually self-correct the issue and be able to then, through that runbook process, resolve that particular incident that's come in. So while the technologies are similar, the technologies have somewhat different uses. Stay tuned as we continue to explore Runbook automation and iAutomate from our friends at Dry Ice.